representing the parties. But when there seems to be interference with presiding officers, I think that does not come with it. It should not come. But as I've indicated, we will deal with it in the legislature. We will consider our position and decide how to proceed.
Right, before we go into the merits, anything to say on what I've just said, Mr. Helens?
Your Worship, other than to express complete confidence in you as a presiding officer, complete gratitude that you brought to the attention of the defence and the state the unfortunate events of yesterday, I can do nothing else but commend you for acting ethically and ask you to continue to do so and judge the matter fairly. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Ntelo?
Your Worship, as Madam Pen have already submitted, we also, as I said, we appreciate that you informed us about it. But as to what will happen next, after this matter, then we also settle down and see how to deal with it. As on the side of the institution.
I thank you for your understanding and appreciation and for your comments. I've been in the criminal justice system for 36 years, and I think my skin is tough enough.
Wow. We have to say that.
Thank you. We may then proceed. Advocate Wilkins.
As it is the court, Your Worship, just to briefly recap from yesterday, I was addressing Your Worship on the issue of whether there is any likelihood that the first applicant will interfere in the investigation or alternatively with the witnesses. I addressed Your Worship firstly on the weakness of the state case, motivating why we say this is a weak state case. I addressed Your Worship on the suspension of the applicant and the effect thereof, arguing that the suspension would prevent them from interfering in the investigation and or with the witnesses. I dealt with the fact that the witness would be an accomplice witness and that his testimony would be subject to the cautionary law. I've also indicated, Your Worship, that the investigation would be at an advanced stage. One has to have reference to the fact that the accused would be charged, making an application for a warrant, and that accordingly the likelihood of him interfering in an investigation that is nearly complete is minimal. Your Worship, I also indicated to the court that the state had chosen to play its cards very closely to its chest, and I just wish to refer, Your Worship, in this regard to the opposing affidavit that was filed, and